Welcome to another video, everybody. Today we're going to go over a 7,500 mile update review on the General gmax AS-05 tires. Last video was 3,000 miles. We put about 4,500 more miles on the tires since then. Just some notes: at 3,000 miles was running 33 pounds of pressure, still 33 all the way through to 7,500 miles. Camber specs on the car still the same, -1.1 degree camber all around. The flat spotting I spoke of in the first video, after it sets for a while, oddly enough, haven't really experienced any of that since then. It's kind of odd, so I don't know what's up with that. But as far as the general handling characteristics of the tire goes in that time frame, everything still seems pretty status quo. Of course, like I say, there's a lot grippier tires out there, but for me, just driving around the mountains, general driving, cruising, all that, tire does well. As far as snow duty goes, didn't get caught in any snow this year, so still can't really attest to the snow capabilities overall. But we'll just do a little walk around of the tire here, kind of show you some things. Due to the camber, you can see a little bit of wear here on the inside. So the inside's probably going to go long before the middle of the tread wheel, just due to that alone. You can see there's no real tearing or anything like that. Now, with that being said, these tires don't see a lot of heat, like say just general mountain driving stuff, no track use or anything. As you can see, still says replacement tire monitor here in the middle. We'll get you all a tread depth reading. OE spec for this tire is 10/32 at 3,000 miles. We had 9/32. See what we can get here. I know you can't see the thing on camera. You get turned around here, probably about 8 3/4 32nd, 8 3/4 32nd. Another 8 3/4 32nd, probably about 8 3/4 32nd again. Not a whole lot of wear in 4,500 miles of use. Still recommend the tire as a buy overall, just for the fact of how it does handle on the road. You know, steering response and stuff. Minimal road noise even with 7,500 miles on it. With the camber, like I said, it's kind of getting the inside of the tire, so the inside of the tire is going to go long before the actual tread wheel. But if you were just running, you know, no camber, just a general street setup, not really worried about anything like that, I think the tire, you could probably get a pretty long life out of it. These are off for the winter time. Got my stock wheels back on, so update you when we put another 4,000, 5,000 miles on it. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.